The government has ordered recommencement of domestic air travel of passengers since 25th May 2020. In order to ensure safety, precautionary measures need to be taken by one and all under the prevailing circumstances due to coronavirus outbreak. If you are going to fly in the next few days, here are the answers to some of the questions that you might have. Hi, my name is Mohit Bhandari and let's start the video. Your first question would be, who is allowed to enter the airport? Only passengers with confirmed web check-ins will be allowed to enter the airport. Passengers will have to wear face masks at the airport at the time of arrival and departure, and also throughout their entire journey. Question number 2 is, what are the baggage limitations? Only one check-in bag and one cabin baggage is allowed. However, passengers are allowed to carry a laptop bag, and ladies are allowed to carry a lady's handbag along with their cabin baggage in the flight. Question number 3 is about food. Are eatables allowed in the aircraft? No. There will be no meal service in the aircraft and no eatables are to be consumed during the flight. Water bottles will be made available in the gallery area or on the seats. However, you can carry dry fruit items with yourself while traveling. On board. Is newspaper or magazine available? No, there will be no on-board sale of any item and no newspaper or magazine will be made available to you. Since only web check-in is allowed, who will tag my bag? Passengers have to ensure web check-in and obtain a boarding pass. They have to download the baggage tag at the time of web check-in, print it and affix it on the bag at a prominent place. However, if the passengers are unable to print the baggage tag for any reason, then they should write their name and PNR number on a thick piece of paper and paste it on the bag. The system of stamping of boarding passes and the need for baggage tags has already been done away with. What about elderly passengers who have difficulty walking? Elderly passengers have been advised not to travel because of their heightened vulnerability to the virus. However, if the travel is unavoidable, provisions have been made for wheelchairs and golf carts to help them board the flight. Airport operators will keep these wheelchairs and golf carts sanitized at all times. Usage of trolley to carry baggage is discouraged, but will be available if one really needs it. What if a passenger has a connecting flight the next day? Where will he or she stay? As we all know, hotels across the country are shut, but passengers are allowed to wait in the transit area. In fact, you cannot go out of the transit area according to government's guidelines. There will be refreshment kiosks at the airport which can be availed of. How do you know that your fellow passengers are not infected? Well, quite simply, you don't. However, the government has made thermal screening mandatory for all the passengers at the airport, and you are supposed to have the Arogya Setu app installed in your smartphone, which will notify the government if you are coming from a highly infected zone. However, if you don't have the Arogya Setu app installed in your smartphone or you don't know how to install it, the airport staff will help you right there. Are there any other guidelines? Yes. Report at the airport 2 hours before departure. Travel in a personal vehicle or authorized taxi following the norms specified by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Do not travel if you are staying in a containment zone. Take all measures to prevent infection and maintain social distancing at all times. For detailed guidelines, refer to the link in the description down below. If you found the information useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share the information with others and also subscribe to the channel for more videos. This is Mohit Bhandari signing off. Till next time. Thank you.